Let's do a quick walkthrough before the sun goes down. We've got a 2004 Lexus RX 330 all-wheel drive. It's a beautiful car. Beautiful inside and out. Really nice to drive, nice to look at, unless you get real close, which we're gonna do right now. I mean, don't get me wrong, this paint is gorgeous. All around. It's just really nice. It's got a couple little scuff marks and dings and bad touch-ups that we're gonna point out real quick just to weed out the folks who are looking for something that has a little bit more perfection to it. If you're looking for something that's mechanically sound, I'll get through all the stuff that we did to this one. Shocks and struts all the way around, front brakes, among other things. But let's get to the flaws first. Here is a scuff that somebody seems to have rattle canned over. It is not beyond fixing properly though. We've got some rock chips on the hood. As we come around the front, you can see some paint imperfections, more paint imperfections on this bumper cover. As we come around the side here, there's more. It looks like somebody touched it up with a brush, a touch-up brush. It doesn't look like the right color though. So again, prep goes a long way, and using the right color goes a long way when you're doing touch-ups, folks. The scuff carries over onto the fender. But when we back up here, you can see it's really not bad when you look at it with the rest of the vehicle. Because as we go along the doors, it's just gorgeous. This is really nice paint. It seems to have been pretty well taken care of, possibly garage kept. As the lights come on here in Tucson, I better get this done quick, I guess. The wheels all look perfect, not curb checked. Tires are brand new. We got those done at C&J on Speedway here in Tucson. As we carry through here, here's another little paint mark. And then we get to the back bumper cover and more scuffs. So it looks like a previous owner maybe just had some trouble on their blind side over here. As we come to the back, the bumper was used to bump things, it seems, which is okay. That's what it's supposed to do, right? 21 years old. I hate to keep justifying by saying it's 21 years old, but it's original paint and it looks great, aside from these little imperfections. And as the sun goes down here, we're gonna have to rush through this a little bit, but this side is looking beautiful. Not even so much as a ding, just beautiful straight lines here. Nice body lines. The windshield is free of pock marks or cracks. As we step inside here, see the door card. It's this really nice soft touch leather. It's not that hard, like spray-on plastic coat stuff that some of the later Lexuses used. It's just really nice. Got this hard side cubby, side pocket. You can fit a lot of stuff in there, lose a lot of stuff in there, put stuff in there and forget all about it. Find it 8 years later. You got settings for 2 different drivers. You got auto up and down on all 4 windows. You got your child lock out here, power locks, power windows, power steering adjustment. So when you do set your seat with the memory, it will also set the steering position, which is always nice. Coming in here, for some reason, Lexus decided to be super fancy and put a little door here, because who wants to see their power door switch and their power mirror switch? I don't know. I don't understand the logic to that, but whatever. Quick cut there to go into a different video mode so I can back it up a little bit and go with the zoom out. Steering wheel is real wood. It's very nice to the touch. The leather parts are flawless. Maybe a little bit of scuffing there from where somebody put their thumb. You've got your radio controls over here, and that's about it. Here's your cruise control. That little short stock was used by Toyota and Lexus for a long time. It might still be, actually. Gauges are pretty simple. You've got your tachometer, speedometer, fuel and temperature gauges. As we come over to the center stack, you've got your climate control over here with auto temp. Definitely don't want it to be 80 right now. Stereo system with a tape deck and a 6-disc CD changer. So while it won't be easy to swap this out for a regular double DIN aftermarket stereo, the nice thing about these with the CD changer is that you can hook up Bluetooth to the CD changer with a pretty simple little modification. So you can get your modern Bluetooth in here, and you can take advantage of this really nice sound system. Okay, changing back to landscape so we can look at the dash. As you can see, there is a dash mat on it. It's great, it's form-fitting. It's probably a swap meet special. It covers up cracks. So the dash is cracked, but it's not a bad looking dash mat. I'm not a huge fan of dash mats, to be honest. But you know, it is Tucson and most people use a dash mat to protect their dashes, although what you'd be protecting here is a cracked dash. At least it won't get any worse. Nice big cavernous glove box with all your original booklets. There's your passenger side door card, your passenger seat. No real flaws. Maybe a little bit of cracking. Wrinkling, really, on the passenger seat. On the driver's seat, this can be brought back to life. There are products. We haven't used them yet. I'm pretty curious about them. Moving on to the back seat. Again, the door cards are flawless on the back. You've got your lit up sill, just in case you forget what you're driving. Let's get some light in here. It's getting dark. Beautiful plush back seat. Like, it's really comfortable. You got your extra HVAC vents back here. Seating for 3 across. Coming into the back, safeguard your personal belongings from the sun and prying eyes. And this is where it gets fun. You got these little cubbies, a deep one and a shallow one here, and a little hook for your grocery bags and such. The seats do fold down pretty much flat, maybe a little bit of an angle, but it gives you plenty of space to haul big stuff. And then here you've got your jack and your tow hook. Here's a quick little video of that 3MZ FE 3.3 liter V6. Clicking right along here. Very smooth running car, no surprises. All right, it's a different day. My phone died. So different day, and taking it out for a little ride on the bumpy road, listening for stuff. Again, the shocks and struts were just done on this, as well as the front brakes. That's really nice. Yep, handles the bumps good. gonna slow down here and do a little 0 to 40 to 0 like Dylan does. ABS works good. Uneventful, which is what you hope for out of a Japanese car. Okay, so that's about everything there is to tell you on this one. It's fully sorted and ready to go. $63.50 is the price. It's about $71.50 out the door, I think, after taxes and fees and registration. Nice thing about a car like this, it's over 20 years old, so only $10 to register it. Good deal. Okay, give us a call or shoot us a text, 520-268-6244. I'll put it up at the end credits so you can look at it as you dial. Visit us at TucsonFutureClassics.com for more pictures and a free Carfax. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, the whole bit. See you soon.